What's up, guys? This is Roman from Tech Unwind 9, and today I'm making a quick video for you guys. If you guys just bought the Modern Warfare 2 and you have this sign coming up where you're trying to get into your campaign and you have a single player DLC pack missing, here's what you need to do, okay? Go ahead and subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for me at the bottom of the video. Then you go down in your settings and you'll find download/uploads and you click on that. Once you click on that, you can see Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, 21 minutes left. So it's downloading 6 different items, and one of them is campaign mode. You can see right on top, 15.692 gigabytes downloaded or are trying to download. So you gotta wait, guys. This is what it is. Even if you were playing campaign mode at some point, it realized that you need to update some things in this game. So that's what it is. You gotta wait for the download. Even if you try 20 minutes from now, it's still probably not going to be done. So wait for all of that to download and your game should work, okay? That's what it is. Update the game. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for me at the bottom of the video. Once it is downloaded, you can actually see right here, it says 21 minutes. Once it's downloaded, okay, you're going to go into the settings, okay? And you're going to check to see if everything's done. Then you go into the actual game and you try to play the game. You should be able to get into it afterwards. It tells you the status right here. Checking update. It did update. And now you're in the game. Here we go. That's it. Boom. Enjoy, guys. Take care, okay? I have more videos. Check them out. Peace out.